Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today we'll be doing a surprise fold turtle. So grab yourself a sheet of paper and a pencil and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I divided my page here, and what I want to show you here how to split the page up is this line right here is the center line. So if you flip the page over and fold it, that's going to be the halfway point. And what you want to do is you want to fold the page just a little bit below that and then a little bit higher than that. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm just going to grab a straight edge. You don't need a straight edge, but if you want to use a straight edge, you could find that line there. And so you find this line right there and you can fold that in. So I'll just make a little crease and then I'll fold this over like this. Okay, so we'll do that. And then I'm going to find this line right here and I'm going to fold right around there as well. Okay, and the reason I do that is because now watch, when I come over this way, I will have a little bit of the page showing down here. So when I open up, you'll see that right there. So you want to have a little bit of that paper showing down here. We'll start drawing a turtle and we're going to draw right across that line. So what I want to do is I want to try to make the bottom of the shell coming right along this edge right here. So I will start on this side. I'll start with a curved shape like this, and then we're going to come down and we're going to come right to the edge of the paper. Don't go across the page, okay? You don't want to go across the seam. And then we'll just kind of lightly go across like this. And then we're going to have a head over on this side. So I'll come up with the turtle shell like this, and we'll create a curve like that. And then we'll join these two together like this. Okay. Now we're going to make the turtle's back, the shell. So we're going to come up from here. We're going to come down. Okay. The next thing we can do is we can put a tail, and again, the tail will not go across that seam, that fold that we just did. Okay, so we'll start with the bottom of the tail. So we'll come down like this, and then we'll come up like that. Okay, then what we want to do for the head is we will draw the top side of the head. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes down, and then it's going to go up, and then we're going to come across, and then we're going to go right over the page, and then we're going to come down like that, and then the other side of the neck is going to come like this, and it's going to come down like that. So that's going to be the neck part. Then you could draw whatever kind of shapes for the eyes that you want. So I'm just going to draw these two eyes like this, and then we'll draw them kind of looking over to the left. We could draw a couple eyebrows, and then I will draw a line like this, comes across, and I will draw a line at the top and bottom. So it's going to come across, and you're going to see that line. You see that line right there? So we're going to try to make that visible. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. The next thing we'll do is we will draw the legs. So I will draw the front leg. So we're going to come down like this, and I'm going to draw a shape that hooks over. It's going to come up, and then back to the left. And we'll draw a couple toes here. So we'll start on the right, and then we'll make our way over to the left. And then I'll draw another one behind this foot. We'll draw one right here. Come up, and like that. And this one we might see a little toe over there. And on back one, right about here, will come down and we'll draw like this. And we'll draw one toe, another one, and a third one, and then we can draw the back leg right here. I'll draw a toe like that. Alright, so we got the 4 legs. Now we can draw some of the shell designs up here. So let's start with a rectangular shape, and we'll curve these. So we'll draw a few like this, and then we can draw a couple more. This one will go this way, and then right over here I'm just going to draw a couple shapes like this. Back here we'll have one, and then I'll draw one right about here. And these don't have to be perfect. It can be a little bit different. Like that. Just like that. So then we have the turtle shell. Now for the cool part, we can go and open our turtle surprise fold up, and all we need to do now is just draw the legs that come up. So I'm going to draw this one from here, and we're going to connect to that. So we're going to come up and connect, and I'll just draw the same thickness all the way up, and then we'll do the same on this side. First, that's going to come all the way up. This one's going to come and join like that. And then for the jaw, we're going to come down from here, and the mouth is going to come and join right like that. And then this side here will join up. And now we can do another jaw opening like this, and just as I get to the bottom, I'm going to curve it a little bit. I'm going to do the same over here, and I'm going to curve a little. And then if you want to put some teeth in, we can put some teeth for a turtle. Just like that. We'll add some details for the legs, some little dots and stuff, but we'll do that with our colors, okay? So here's our surprise fold, just like that, and then when you open it up, you see the legs. Okay, so I'm going to grab a light green color and a dark green color, and I'm going to put a piece of paper behind so that I don't make any bleeding through onto my table, especially if you're doing this at your parents' house. You don't want to get their table all full of markers, so put something behind and start coloring in. So there you go, guys. We just finished drawing our surprise fold turtle, and it looks a little like this. And I'll show you from the top down what it looks like when it's all folded up. So you can write a little note to somebody if you want over here, and then when they go and open it up, ta-da! You see the surprise fold. What happens, it grows a lot bigger and taller and has a mean old snarly face with showing his teeth. So I think this was really cool, really fun. I had a ton of fun with you guys. Please, if you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I do these videos every single day and you don't want to miss one of them, all right? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.